Dear students, evolution of human history, the changes on the population dynamics, on the increase in the number of population, or probably decrease in the number of population because of the certain societies that have established throughout the human history, whether it was a horticulture or pastoral society, whether it was a hunting and gathering society, whether it's of the agrarian society, or whether we are just talking about the industrial society. How industries they brought ease, how industry brought development, how industry brought contentment, how industry made people settle at one stage, and it also provoked people to leave their underdeveloped regions and coming to the developed regions. How industries have been the reason of urbanization and so many other things. So industries have been the development of industrial societies. They have been a very important factor when we talk about the change in the population characteristics or the dynamics. So with industrialization, जैसे जैसे इंडस्ट्रीज जो है माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स पढ़ेंगी, ऑक्यूपेशनल स्पेशलाइजेशन जो थी वो भी जो है दे बिकेम ग्रेटर देन एवर. Today, the kind of work you do has a lot to do with your standard of living. So people know, people now often size up one another in terms of their job rather than according to their family ties. Agrarian people do. So this is what I'm talking about: the change in the societal behavior or the societal values. The more you are doing a good work, that is probably your recognition more than the family where you belong to. Industries, the rapid change in the industry, the rapid growth in the industries had even changed the way people think. The more you are rich, the more you belong to the affluent class. Probably that is your the first identification in the society. Agrarian societies के अंदर people used to have strong ties, people used to live strongly. तो एक और तरह से environment जो है वो भी देखने की जो है वो मिलता था. Rapid change and people tendency to move from place to place that also makes social life more anonymous, increase culture diversity, and promote subcultures and countercultures. You see how the sort of advantages, the sort of facilitations now we have, how it is easy it has become to move from one place to another. We have cars, we have aeroplanes, we have jet planes. छोटे शहरों में आपको रेलवे स्टेशन जो हैं वो आपको मिलेंगे. You have everything. The connectivity has become very important. Now that connectivity among the population segments that has resulted into the change into the cultures that has introduced us towards the culture diversity. ये बड़े शहर आजकल हमारे full of lights. This is a picture of a shopping center, as you can see, and there is a traffic going on. There is a great hustle and bustle, and how the economy is and going on, how the social life जो है लोगों की जो है वो किस तरह से जो है वो चल रही है. This is a picture from a Pakistani society जहाँ पे हमारे जो हैं that shows a huge population. सिर्फ एक पिक्चर को अंदाजा करके हम कह सकते हैं Pakistan is a country which consisted of number of people they live in this country. Industrial technology also changes the family to reducing its traditional importance as the center of the social life. Dear students, students of sociology, students of social science, different जो social sciences के और subject हैं, चाहे वो social work है, gender है, anthropology है, political science या और other subjects. We are very much always interested to know the social institutions. तो आपका जो family का institutions है, इसके ऊपर भी industrial development में significant change जो है वो इसके ऊपर नज़र आता है, और जो हमारे traditional values है उसके अंदर भी change जो है वो नज़र आता है. फैमिली कहा जाता है ख़ास तौर पे जो वेस्टर्न वर्ल्ड डेवलप कंट्रीज़ हैं, इट डज़ नॉट नो लॉन्गर इट डज़ दी फैमिली सर्व एज द मेन सेटिंग फॉर वर्क, लर्निंग एंड रिलीजियस वर्शिप. अब जो फैमिलीज़ के जो सिग्निफिकेंट रोल थे ख़ास तौर पे वेस्टर्न वर्ल्ड के अंदर, अब वो इसको पूरा करने से कासिर है. Technological change also play a part in making families more diverse with a great shape of single people, divorced people, single parent families and step families. Now these are the change in this population dynamics. How so many divorced people are around, how we can see the weakening of the marriage institution, how you see single parent single people and not in the institution of marriage, and they are living together. The living relationships are very common in Western world. Even they adopt children, they are raising children without coming into the entering into the marital ties. So, and single parent आपको step family. So all these are the dynamics, or these are the changes that were not very visible in the past. And this is how the fast life has introduced us to all these things. And this is how the population dynamics जो हैं वो उसके साथ हमें तब्दील होते भी जो है वो नजर आएंगे. Perhaps the greater effect of industrialization has been to raise living standard. देखिए, एक सबसे बड़ी जो इंडस्ट्रियलाइजेशन का जो एक का ऑब्जेक्टिव हमें नजर आता है, द ह्यूमन बींग्स विच हैव सेट इट इज़ टू रेज द लिविंग स्टैंडर्ड्स. और न्यू टेक्नोलॉजी जहाँ पे अपने एडवांटेजेस हैं, कंफर्टेबल लाइफ हमें मिलती है, वहाँ पे उसके नुकसानात भी मैंने आपको बताए हैं, जो कि एक हम बैलेंस प्रॉब्लम भी क्रिएट करने में नाकाम रहे हैं, जहाँ पे हमने सोसाइटल वैल्यूज़ को हम लॉस करते भी नज़र आते हैं. इसके साथ साथ हमें इन इक्वालिटी जो है वो भी जो है वो इवन सोशल इनइक्वालिटी डिक्रीजेस स्लाइटली बिकॉज इंडस्ट्रियल सोसाइटी प्रोवाइड एक्सटेंडेड स्कूलिंग एंड पॉलिटिकल राइट्स फॉर एवरीवन. दो चीज़ें हैं, डिक्रीज भी हो सकती है और कई जगहों पे आपको ये इंक्रीज होती भी जो है वो आपको नजर आएगी. डिक्रीज कैसे होगी? बिकॉज पीपल विल हैव लॉट्स ऑफ अपॉर्चुनिटीज़, और उन अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ की वजह से वो लोग इस काबिल होंगे कि अपने बच्चों को पढ़ा सकेंगे. अराउंड द वर्ल्ड इंडस्ट्रियलाइजेशन का जो इफ़ेक्ट है वो आपको दुनिया में बड़ी बड़ी जगहों पे नज़र आएगा. इस वक्त हम इंडस्ट्रियलाइजेशन की, हम डेवलपमेंट की भी जब बात करते हैं तो बिकॉज ऑफ द फैक्टर ऑफ इंडस्ट्रियलाइजेशन कंट्रीज़ को हम 3 हिस्सों में डिवाइड करते हैं. दे आर डेवलप्ड कंट्रीज़, दे आर डेवलपिंग कंट्रीज, दे आर अंडर डेवलप्ड कंट्रीज. बहरहाल ये एक पिवटल, एक इम्पॉर्टेंट फैक्ट है कि इंडस्ट्रियलाइजेशन हैज़ pretty much changed the dynamics of the human population, whether we talk about the family values, whether we talk about the social statuses, whether we talk about the difference between the rich and poor, whether we talk about the ease and comfort that had brought the industrialization in our lives.